Hello everyone. I know it has been an extremely long time since I've last uploaded a video, but school, work, life, shit got in my way. So this morning I woke up and I was like, okay, I should do a favorites video, but I didn't want to just sit there and talk about the products because that's just boring. So I got a new idea and I was like, okay, I might as well just show you guys products as I use them throughout the day. So yeah, let's just get started. Well, I already finished all my makeup. Well, this is my room, by the way. It's kind of messy. Sorry. Homegirl is getting really hot right now. So you guys know I always recommend sunscreen. This is the one that I have been using. I've used this last year. This is the oh my god, why is it not focused? So how to use the sunscreen? You just shake it up like so. You take like this much. Like this is more than enough for your entire face. The reason why I like this is because it is actually somewhat moisturizing, especially right now. I always have the heater on and it's winter. My skin is getting a little bit drier and this sunscreen doesn't crack. After your skin completely absorbs it, it doesn't feel sticky at all. And ta-da! I pretty much had makeup on for the whole entire day, so you can see how crazy I look. So I'm going to take off my makeup right now. This is the More Pacific Treatment Cleansing Oil for Face. And I just say that the packaging looks super sleek and nice. I'm practically blind without my contacts or glasses. I recently just got diagnosed with a little bit of stigmatism, so I'm like, great, adding more to my blindness. To use this, you just basically take a pump like this. It's actually a little too much, but it smells a little bit like cologne. Yeah, it does. Okay, so then I just take this and I kind of first rub it, massage it on the areas that I apply my makeup. Take a little bit of water, like barely any, so it emulsifies everything. Oh, sorry, you can't see anything. I'll take a little pump. Okay, maybe a little too much. I couldn't see, but I have a little bit of water in my hand, so you can see how pretty much it just not foams up. It just emulsifies, so it becomes a very milky consistency to work with. Ta-da! So here you go. This is makeup free me. Took off all my makeup. I feel like my eyes can finally breathe. Here are two of my current favorite skincare products. The skincare routine is actually really simple. I put on toner, a moisturizer, and eye cream. That's it. I try to keep it as simple as possible, and always sunscreen. This is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I love the packaging on the top. Look at just look at the holographic water drop too. And then this one is the Dr. Brandt's Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This is how the cream looks like. It looks very, like, look at the consistency. It looks like a gel. You literally take 2 drops like this. I mush it. I blend it. I warm it up between my 2 fingers and I just apply it all throughout my face. Because of the gel consistency, I thought that it wouldn't be moisturizing enough. I was like, okay, this cream will never work, but holy motherfucking shit. Let me tell you, this cream works, okay? It does not feel sticky after it is fully absorbed. And second of all, most importantly, it doesn't smell. I highly recommend that cream. And this is the eye depuffing gel. So the consistency is very thick. It is a salmon color. This is all you need. That's actually a little too much. Even though this is called a gel, based on the consistency, this is pretty much like a thick cream. And I just rub it in between my 2 fingers and I pat it. Now, one of my biggest concerns is lines and wrinkles. So I'm always looking for anti-aging products. I'm in my 20s, so I feel like prevention is very, very extremely important. So I just dab. And then that's pretty much it for my skincare routine. There's not a lot to it. Second on the list is definitely this bag I have. It's from a brand called Melly Bianco, and it's a black bag. I own a couple of purses, and I noticed that I have no black or monochrome colored bags, and I just feel like I needed one, so I picked this one up. And honestly, this bag matches so many, oh, let me close the doors. This bag honestly matches with so many of my different outfits, so you can see how today I am kind of sporting more of a formal look. He carries most of my stuff in there, like hand sanitizer, lotion, my wallet, cards, cash, whatever, etc. So that's the end of my current favorites, and I hope you guys find this helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you actually tried some of the products that I have been currently loving. You guys have a fabulous holiday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!